Me.
Yeah.
That's it. That's what I need.
Yep. Told you not to walk up.
That's what I need.
To the point.
Do you hear that, right?
Where you scared her to go back.
I said. Do you hear that, right? I say asshole. That's to you. Asshole.
I think it's to you also.
Yeah. You do respecting me on video.
That's fine.
It's fine?
Yeah.
So you like to respect the public? Is that what it is?
No. You called me an asshole when I said I think that.
I would call you asshole again.
Well. Okay.
Are you calling me asshole too?
I'm calling you whatever you called me.
Good morning, everybody, and welcome back to San Joaquin News Network. Today comes to you guys an awesome video, by the way, here of this channel, Chan Watch and Report. This is a newer and smaller channel who has been doing great work out there auditing and cop watching. Check out the short clip from his channel and leave your guys' thoughts in the comment section down below. Of course, the original video link and channel link will be down below in the description as well. Make sure you guys go on over to subscribe to his channel and don't forget to let him know San Joaquin sent you. Let me know what you guys think. Thank you guys, and I'll see you at the end of the video.
But don't come any closer than that. I don't know.
Yeah, I don't know who that is.
Okay, back up.
What is that?
You can film,
Back
but
up.
you can't be behind us.
I don't know you. Back
Okay.
up. Don't walk towards me. I don't know you. Back
I don't
up.
care. I don't know you either.
I don't either.
What's your name?
Don't.
What's your name?
Come inside.
Don't walk.
What's your name?
Kelly.
You will not walk.
What's your name?
I'll take you to jail.
Take me to jail now. Come on, do
Walk
it.
towards me, I will.
Do it.
If you walk towards
Do
me,
it now. Do it.
All right.
Do it.
Interfering with us right now.
Do it.
Okay.
What's your name? What's your name?
Walk towards me.
What's your name, I ask you?
What you guys are seeing these officers do, this one in particular, is called intimidation and retaliation tactics. Trying to have this man being at an unreasonable distance to film is an unlawful order. Cops love to do this quite a bit and has happened not only to me personally, but as well as countless of other journalists and cop watchers. There is no law that overrides the First Amendment that allows us to be as close enough to document what is happening, which has seemed to have been a common problem some police officers seem to have. Those who you see have a problem with the camera, you can notice almost right away that they are afraid of getting caught or may have been caught doing something they weren't supposed to.
You already interfered.
What's your name? I didn't talk to you. What's your name?
I'll tell you my name in a second. You need to back
What's
up.
your name?
You need to back
What's
up.
your name?
Back up.
What's your name? What's your name? What's your name?
Deputy Aguirre.
What's your ID number?
9207.
What's your ID number?
I
What's
just
your
told you-
ID
I just
number?
told you what it was.
What is your
I
ID
just
number?
told you what it was.
What's your ID
I
number?
already told you.
What's your ID
Rewind
number?
your video and look.
What's your ID number?
I already told you.
What's your ID
I
number?
already told you.
Public servant.
I already
What's your
told
ID
you what it
number?
was. I already told you what it was.
What's your ID number?
I already told you what it was.
You're an asshole, man.
Yeah. Okay,
Yes, you
thanks.
are. Yeah.
Thanks. Do
Yes,
not
you
walk
are.
towards me. I'm telling you.
Yes,
I
you
don't
are.
know
Fuck you.
And you're walking
Fuck
towards me in
you.
an aggressive manner.
Fuck you.
You're gonna go to jail.
Fuck
if you
you.
keep walking towards
Fuck
me.
you.
I don't know who you are.
Fuck you.
Okay.
Fuck you.
You've been warned. I'm telling you.
Do you like that?
I'm telling you right now.
Fuck you.
The way you're acting, the way you're walking.
What is the way?
I don't know you.
Violate my
You're
rights.
cursing
Hey,
at me,
listen.
telling me you
Violate my
all that
rights.
stuff.
Do it now.
And if you walk
Do
towards
it
me,
now.
I'm gonna take you to jail.
Violate my rights. Do it. Do
You
it.
already interfere with
Do
what I'm
it.
doing over here.
Violate my rights. Just go ahead. Violate my rights. Do it.
You've been warned. I'm telling
Do
you.
it. No, you being warned.
Okay.
I'm giving you a warning.
Okay. Thank you for your warning.
Who do you think you are? And you too. Who do you think you are? This is the street. You are a public servant. I will ask you your name. I will ask for your ID
You've already
number.
been told.
I'm sorry?
And you've interrupted me talking to this lady. You
This
need
is
to
the
back
street,
up.
buddy.
You need, I'm telling you, you need to back up.
Oh, the sergeant back again. Look at you.
What's going on?
What's
buddy?
going on?
Haven't seen you.
Give me some instruction to this stupid here. This is the public street. I have the right
Don't
to
walk
film.
up on me.
I will walk anywhere I want
Do not
to.
walk up on me aggressive.
What are you
like
gonna
that.
do?
I'm gonna take you to jail.
Go take me to jail
Dude,
now.
I've already
Do
told
it.
you not to come closer. And
You're
you
gonna
keep
lose your
walking towards
qualified
me.
immunity, buddy. I will shoot the fucking shit out of you.
Towards me,
Hey
and I tell
man,
you
it's
not
all
to
good
walk
if
up
we
on
don't
me.
have qualified immunity.
I'm sorry, it's gonna go away anyway. It's gonna go anyway. And you guys are gonna be so pretty easy, especially you.
Great.
Come on, Jorge, relax.
No, you relax, Sergeant. Who do you think you are, man?
So,
You telling me fucking what? You're such a stupid man.
All right, Jorge. Thanks, man.
Get the fuck out of here, man. You don't intimidate anybody.
Stuff now. Let's just,
You are a little man. Look at you. You don't even have a. This is what you got. This like this. You're a little man, man. Grow up.
thank you for your valuable service.
Grow up. Grow
Thank
up.
you so much for your valuable service.
Grow up, buddy.
I appreciate you.
You think you can intimidate people? Do you really believe that?
I really appreciate the invaluable service you do.
Man, listen,
Thank you so much.
you need to
I'm
grow
listening.
up.
I am listening.
You need to
Give
grow
me
up.
some
You're
more
gonna get in trouble.
Give me some more of your wonderful knowledge. Thank you.
I'm just telling you that you're gonna grow up,
Thank you. Cool.
and you're gonna get in trouble.
Thank you.
With that attitude,
Uh-huh.
you're gonna create a problem to the. I'm telling you,
Cool.
you put everybody
I
safety
appreciate your knowledge.
at
Thank you
risk
so much.
for playing
I
the
appreciate
tough
your
guy.
Your invaluable knowledge. Thank you.
You
very
wanna
much.
play the tough guy? You're not tough, man. You're not.
You are though, clearly.
I'm not. I'm not stupid.
Well,
And guess what? You, two things. I'm not gonna let you intimidate me. First, second, you are not going to violate my rights. And if you do it, just do it. But that's why I'm asking. Take me to jail. Dad, do it.
I'm sorry, don't walk up on me, boss.
Walk up. I'm walking. You got a problem?
You're welcome to walk any way you like. Don't tell you don't walk up
Uh-huh.
on me. I'm over here.
I'm
conducting-
walking. You got a problem
I'm
with
over here
that?
called out here for a lawful reason.
I don't care what you're doing
And
here,
now
man.
I can't even finish what I'm doing because I have to divert my attention to you.
The video
That's
say,
fine.
the
I'm
video say that
recording
you
as
talk
well.
to me.
I'm recording as well.
The video say on your recording say that you talk to me. You address to me.
Yeah.
That's it. That's
Told
what
you
I need.
Yep. Told you not to walk up.
That's
on
what
me.
I need,
Continue to do
asshole.
so.
Asshole.
To the point
Do you hear that right?
where you scared her to go
I
back
say
inside
asshole.
to
Do you
the
see?
way
Do you hear that right? I say asshole.
Uh-huh.
That's to you. Asshole.
I think it's to you also.
Yeah. You do respecting me on video.
That's
huh?
fine.
It's fine.
Yeah.
So you like to respect the public? Is that what it is?
No. You call me an asshole when I said I think that
I will call
applies
you
to
asshole
as
again.
well. Okay.
Are you
that's
calling me
fine.
asshole too?
I'm calling you whatever you called me.
You still being the asshole that you are, bro.
Debatable.
Uh-huh. You're a little man, bro.
Yeah.
You are a little man.
Okay.
You're supposed to do, like this, man. Walk away, man. Just leave the camera alone. Don't play the tough guy in front of the camera. Because I make you look like stupid that you are, man.
Okay.
I'm gonna make sure to make you look as stupid as you are.
Okay.
Yeah, sure.
I
Because you
appreciate that.
deserve it, man.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Who the fuck you think you are? Telling me that I can't walk. I will walk. And I will ask you to arrest me. Arrest me. Do it. Arrest me. You're a coward. Do you have something illegal in that fucking car? Do you? Do you have something illegal in your car? Do you? Are you pleading the fifth now? Guess what? You have the right to remain silent, buddy. Anything that you say can and will be used against you in the court of fucking public opinion.
Oh, okay.
Eh?
Thanks.
Just so you know, okay?
Thanks.
You're welcome. You're not that tough, buddy. Your time of abuse in America is over. Eh? Just get it, get it.
Okay.
Your times of abusing people in the United States is over.
Okay.
Uh-huh. It's over. Whether you fucking like it or not. It's over. It's over. Your fucking qualified immunity is gonna fucking go away. It's the way it should.
Okay.
Uh-huh. Yeah. The party is over, buddy. It's over. It's over. Do you have something to say about it, big guy?
I have nothing to say.
Nothing to say? Thank you. It's over, buddy.
Okay.
Uh-huh. You're saying, camera, that you... I'm an asshole, right?
I said you are whatever you called me.
I'm sorry?
I said you are whatever you called me.
You say that I'm an asshole, right?
I said you are whatever that you called me.
Oh.
So, did you call me
Okay.
that?
Sorry? What's that?
Yeah. Now you've got hearing difficulties, huh?
I'm sorry? What's that? Go back to work, man.
I'm trying.
Are you trying? Who's
But
stopping
you're
you?
not allowing me to.
I'm not allowing you?
Yep.
What is it I'm doing?
Because I don't know you and the way you're acting
You don't know me.
is an officer safety issue for me.
Officer safety!
Yep.
Oh, look at that, guys. You know how stupid you look right now? Officer fucking safety. Look at that shit. You know that's an old trick, right? You know that, right? Are you married, man? You have a wife, a girlfriend, something like that? Do you? See, now you don't want to talk. You wanted to talk to me, now you don't want to talk. What's going on, man? Now you don't want to talk to me. You're ashamed, man. You're ashamed to the department, man. You're shaming the sheriff department. Eh? Manatee Sheriff Department should be ashamed of you, man.
Okay.
Uh-huh. Yes. Yes. You're shameful. right? Deputy, you are not only coward, you're a shameful guy. That's what you are. A coward with a gun. And a taser too, right? Oh, do you confuse taser with guns and stuff like that too? You know which one is one? Do you? Want to give it a try on me? How about that? No? You don't want to do that? Okay, fine. You never shot nobody before, no? Nobody? Have you ever shot a person before? Have you ever shot? How do you say it? Because my English is getting crazy now. Have you ever shot a person before? That I say right now. Have you ever shot a person before? Deputy, I'm talking to you. Have you ever shot a person before? You're not going anywhere in your career, man. This career is not for coward people, man. This career is not for coward guys. It's not, buddy. It's not. You are in the wrong line of work, buddy. You are. You are in the wrong line of work. You are afraid. You're a coward. It's not good. You're gonna put this guy's safety in jeopardy, your sergeant's safety in jeopardy. You know, you are worthless.
Have a good night.
You.
Ma'am, thanks.
Now go back. Get out of here, man.
Let's go.
Yeah, let's get out of here, man.
Yeah, let's go. Bye, Jorge.
Bye, man.
Have a good evening.
You too. Thank you.
Sir.
Give me some training to see this hustle, man.
All right, I will.
Thank you, buddy. Appreciate that. I'm walking behind you. Hey! Are you afraid still? Are you? You got a gun, right? You got a taser too? What do you fucking do with that, man? You have something illegal in the car? Let me take a look at the trunk of your car, see what's going on. Every time I see you, I will give you a fucking hard time. Every time I see you, I will give you a fucking hard time. For coward.
I appreciate
For the coward that you are.
Thank you, Mr. Jorge.
You're welcome, Mr. Whatever. Get the fuck out of here, man. Get the fuck out of here, buddy. Get. Go back to work.
Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed that, please do be sure to go subscribe to Chan Chan Watch and Report. The links will be down below in the description. Don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell notification for future videos. And of course, don't forget to leave your guys' thoughts in the comment section down below. Let me know what you guys think. Thank you guys, and I'll see you on the next one.